everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know I love cheesecake. I've made different versions of cheesecake on my channel before, but I've never shown you guys how to make a really easy low carb cheesecake that's in the air fryer. This is gonna be a really quick and easy recipe and a really delicious and low carb recipe of this cheesecake to make at home. We can jump right in. I have, of course, as you guys already know, all of my measurements, all of my ingredients that I use are in the description below, so head down there to check out exactly how much and what I am using. I have some cream cheese here in front of me. This is full fat cream cheese. You can also use less, like reduced fat cream cheese if that's your preference, but I like the full fat one. To this cream cheese, I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. I'm also gonna add in some Monkfruit Sweetener. You can use any kind of granulated sweetener of choice. I prefer to use monk fruit. I've said it before in my previous videos. I think monk fruit cooks most similarly to regular sugar, which is why I prefer to use it. But if you like erythritol or stevia, go ahead and use that. So I throw that in there, and I'm also gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And finally, I'm gonna add in 3 large eggs. What I love about this cheesecake is there is no crust, so there's no mess with the crust. Not only is it easy because it's in the air fryer, but you just throw in all the ingredients into a bowl and you don't have to mess with trying to mix everything separately. This is one of my go-to recipes if I'm just looking for a really easy dessert to have that's low carb and gonna keep my macros on track. And now all we're gonna do is take a hand mixer. I like to use a hand mixer for this. You could also throw this into a standing mixer if that's easier for you. But we're gonna combine all these ingredients together on medium-high speed. So start out slow. And then I'm gonna increase my speed to medium-high. To make it really easy for us to throw the cheesecake into the air fryer and take it out, I'm gonna take an oven-safe dish. I'm just gonna use a Pyrex dish for this. And I'm gonna take some avocado oil spray, although you don't have to do this, but you can take any kind of like Wagyu, like beef tallow spray, or just take butter. The only reason I'm using it is because when I wanna take my parchment paper in and out, it makes it a lot easier to do so when it's sprayed down. It doesn't stick to the dish. So, gonna take some of my spray and spray this dish. And then I'm gonna take some parchment paper and put it into the dish. To our lined dish, I'm now just going to pour in our cheesecake mixture. Now, all we need to do is take our dish and put it in our air fryer tray. Just gonna set it in gently like this and fold the parchment paper so it's not sticking out from the dish. It's folded into the tray. I'm gonna throw my tray into the air fryer. And now we're gonna set it to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to bake for 30 minutes. So 320 Fahrenheit, 30 minutes, and just step away and let that cook. If you guys want my tasty air fryer that I use, make sure to head down to the link in the description below, and you can use my discount code to get 30% off your order if you want to buy this air fryer. This is my new favorite air fryer. It is honestly the best, and it's perfect, and go ahead and get it if you're interested. I'll see you guys at the very end when our cheesecake is done baking. Our cheesecake is done. Let's take it out and take a look. That is absolutely perfect. What we're gonna do next is let this sit outside for about 15 minutes to let it cool down. And then we're gonna take the dish out and throw it into the fridge. We wanna let this set in the fridge for at least 2 to 4 hours, but the best is overnight. So I will see you guys after it's been refrigerated. And this is our finished cheesecake. Absolutely perfect, super easy and low carb right in our air fryer. This is gonna be the easiest cheesecake that you guys will ever make. Let's take a slice out. All right, guys, let's take a bite of our cheesecake. It's almost like Basque style. It's nice and cooked on the top and then nice and gooey and delicious in the middle. Cheers. That is so good. I mean, so simple, perfect, not too sweet, exactly like a Basque cheesecake. And all we did is we threw it in our air fryer. No need to make a mess with your oven. No need to worry about any of that. Just enjoy a really easy summertime cheesecake. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Let me know what dessert you want to see me make down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.